Next portion is escape sequence. Some non-graphic symbols are used as commands to direct the cursor while printing. Some non-graphic symbols are used as commands to direct the cursor while printing. These are called escape sequence. It begins with a backslash and followed by one or more characters. It begins with a backslash and followed by one or more characters. So it is also called backslash characters. There are some escape sequence we are using. For example, first one is slash n. The slash n is used for moving the cursor in the next line or for a new line. The slash n. This escape sequence is used for moving the cursor to the next line. For example, system.out.println. We know this is the print statement or display statement. In the display statement, we are writing like this, that bracket open, name Ayush. Then we can give a slash in here. Then plus age 14 years. Next we are giving a slash in here. So the output will be coming like this. Output name Ayush, and in the next line age 14 is displaying there. Like this. The slash n, where the slash n is displaying, this move to the cursor to the next line like this. And the next escape sequence is slash t. The slash t or backslash t is known as tab spacing. Tab spacing means we know. Spacing means we can give one space there. Tab spacing means we can give 8 spaces there. Like this. For example, system.out.println name Ayush slash t plus age 14 years. This will display like this. Output name Ayush, then give some spaces here and age 14 years. I think you understood this thing. The slash n is used for moving the cursor to the next line. Like this we can write slash n and then that will move to the next line. And then slash t is used for giving a tab spacing there. Like this one is displaying. And the next one more example, slash double quotes, backslash double quotes. The message is under double quotes. If you want to give anything in a double quotes, we are giving this backslash double quotes. For example, system.out.println welcome to. Then here backslash double quotes and then computer. Then here backslash double quotes. This one I want to give in double quotes. So I give here and here double quotes and backslash. So the output will coming like this. Output welcome to computer. This computer is coming in the double quotes and world. The next one, double backslash. Double backslash. This double backslash is used for inserting a backslash. For example, system.out.println the selected candidate is, then double backslash, then Arun and then double backslash. It will display like this. The selected candidate is Arun. Arun is displaying in the backslash. See like this. Then backslash single quotes. For inserting a single quote, we can give this backslash single quote escape sequence. For example, for inserting a single quote, system.out.println welcome to backslash single quotes. It will display like this, welcome to computer. Computer is in the single quotes.